should get this consistency. Be careful with it, because that could cause skin cornstarch and some water. Going to mix this well. I'm to stir this other solution.
Wait.
Hi guys, my name is Sohan. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own silly putty. This is the first way you can make it. You need some dishwashing soap and some cornstarch. First, pour a little bit of dishwashing soap into a container. Then do the same thing with your cornstarch. And then stir it together. You might need more dishwashing soap. Go. If you keep stirring it really well, you should get this consistency. At first it might be a little too sticky, but then if you keep on playing, it'll get better and better. I don't know if it's stretchy. Oh. Okie dokies. Okay guys, I mixed it really well, but it is not stretchy. You could see that it crumbles up really quick. This is not Silly Putty, but you could play with this as Play-Doh. Okay guys, I'll show you a different type of Silly Putty now. This is a new type of Silly Putty, and you will need for this type some borax, and be careful with it, because that could cause skin irritation. Some Elmer school glue, some cornstarch, and some water. You can also use food coloring if you want to color your Silly Putty. Mine is called neon food coloring. You'll actually need hot water. You'll need to take 2 tablespoons of hot water and pour it in a bowl. It's a little bit more in this case. Okay? Now, you will actually need a half teaspoon of borax. And then mix it together. Now I stirred it really well, and you can add your food coloring at this point if you have some. Okay, then you will need 1 tablespoon of Elmer's school glue and also 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay guys, now I took 1 tablespoon of glue, and then I am going to take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now I am going to mix this brown. And I'm taking a half teaspoon of the solution. There you go. A little more. Then you'll have to stir this other solution. Okay guys, I finally stirred everything well and I got this consistency. I also added a little bit of cornstarch. I'll actually show you the real measurements in the description below. Now I'll show you if it's stretchy or not. Much better than before. We go even further. This goes so well. Well, so sticky. This is going well. Whoa. Hey guys, let's compare these both together. First, this one was the first one we made out of dishwashing soap. This one is the second one we made out of a borax, water, glue, cornstarch, some food coloring, and some borax, and a lot of things. Let's compare them. First off, what I like about this one is it's so stretchy. Stretched so much. This one, I don't really think so. Yeah, this one does not stretch. Right now, it's into a clump. Look at that. Actually never mills. And never happens to be in the good consistency. So the winner would be this one. Whee! Whee! Wow, wow, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, no, 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 no. Whoa, 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 crazy, crazy. Wait, oh, what a place. Okay. Oh, you. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment if you have any ideas or questions. Bye-bye. Thank you.